amateur mechanic. I basically just want to show you guys how to take off the gear knob and surround, because again I want to paint this trim here nice blue. So it's quite easy. So what you need to do is just undo the gear knob. It's like a million turns. Alright. Turn. Right, that's off. Right. Gearhead off. Right, so now you just want to get a little trim move tool or screwdriver, whatever you want. And then as I do it, I do a screwdriver, I think. Right, just flip it up. That's got a little lip there, so you just pull it forward and it just comes off. So now all you want to do to take this trim off, it's like little clips. Use my iPhone here, so it's not the best. There's little clips. Right, just push it off, and it just easily comes off. So it's nice. I can clean this all nice now. That's trim, ready to be painted. It's literally as simple as that, guys. So yeah, when you want to put it back on, you just, I'll quickly do it, show you. Kind of hard doing this with one hand, but still. So you just put the trim over the top of the surround and then sort of click it back in place. Click it back in place. Right, just place it over the top. Place it over the top. Push it back first. And just push down. And you obviously just find that. Put the gear stick back on. Do the million turns. And then just pull this bit over. Right. There you go, sound. All working sound. Easy peasy. Enjoy.